Done a lot of reading up on this little jewel here, and my next procedure is changing them filters. Today's Sunday, I gotta do the cans. Forgot all about the onions. We come out here and couldn't find them. I was just fixing to plow all this up. You can see them all the way down through there. Find them now. Alright. We on our way.
Matt, you want to be my nail puller upper holder?
I'm here. Everyone's saved.
I was totally wondering when that was.
Now, somebody do everything for me.
I just dropped the nail.
Oh, that's one thing I need to get is a magnet. You would not believe the crap I picked up with a magnet.
Matt, there's a nail over there somewhere. You're good. Get the high side.
That was a good one, man.
Okay. Little small trip down here. What was funny is that there was no chainsaw running when that fell.
No, there wasn't.
Somebody cutting a big old tree on it. It was just all of a sudden kablam. I have stomped my toe on that for the last time. And that one too. They coming up. Here you go. One more.
Ain't got you yet, huh?
Nope. That's a big old root.
Sitting in the wrong place.
Won't be tripping over them no more. And where to move this wire is the next situation. I hate to stand it up right here. That's not kosher. It needs to be over there if we clean out that for half a day. Hey. Alright, last load, can't see. First time on the John Deere automatic. And now I'm gonna burn some scrap wood and limbs. Read some real good stuff on this last night, Dougie. I've been going to all the forums, reading up, studying all I can. No, I have not got a manual yet. I'm going to change these out next. These two filters. I got fuel coming out of here when you bleed it, but it's not a spray. And Jerry has already took this to a diesel man, and he told him a bunch of stuff that's just not so. I got more common sense than that. So I'm gonna try that out next. Groovy.